Then next come to the teaching methodology. What teaching methodology we are using here? So focus learning. First is focus learning, progressing tracking. So teachers are regularly checking in our this Hindi learning platform, Haase Hindi. We are using a different teaching methodology. तो जिससे वो बच्चा एग्जाम क्लिक करे और जो रिक्वायर्ड उनके क्रेडिट्स हैं वो उसको मिले. तो उसके लिए मैं क्या किस तरीके की मैं स्ट्रेटेजी फॉलो करती हूँ वो सब मैं आपको डिस्कस करती हूँ. The teacher here, we are regularly checking how the students has learned and improves. If needed, the teacher teaching plan is changed according to the student need. The student की need के according हम teaching plan को change करते हैं and the giving the student personalized attention because this is a one-to-one class. Now expert trained faculty. We are having some expert, well-trained, experienced teachers and who are having a knowledge of their subject. They are not only teach the students but also guide and support the student with care. Now then third one is multi-sensory learning. So audio visual presentation. So we are having some audio visual clips are there. Just I have shown you before. इस तरह की ऑडियो और विजुअल क्लिपिंग्स होती हैं. उनके थ्रू सब्जेक्ट को वी आर मेकिंग इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इंटरेक्टिव वीडियोस. सम इंटरेक्टिव वीडियोस आर देयर. Engaging worksheets are there to engage and improve their learning. So then customized practice. Every student is different, so approach should be different. So we are offering some practice materials which is based on the individual need, and students get the exercise that match their level, helping them to improve step by step. We prepare them for better for their exam and their real world application. Then a holistic learning environment. This means creating a very positive, respectful, and emotionally supportive classroom. It helps students feel a very confident, safe. We are providing such kind of environment in our classroom so that the student feel very safe, confident, and motivated to participate in this language learning program. Because as this is a secondary language, as this is a completely new to him, so उनको एक सपोर्ट की, एक मोटिवेशन की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत होती है यहाँ पर उसे सीखने के लिए. Then high probability of success. When all the above teaching methods are combined, students are more likely to be succeed. It builds a strong foundation not just for exam but also for their future life and career. Courses. So Haase Hindi, we are providing a structured online classes which are designed to align with the language proficiency benchmark like Avent STEM 4S test. So we are prepare here the student for assessment starting from their elementary classes. This covers all the assessment parameter like reading, writing, speaking, listening. Our goal is to help the student not only speak and understand the Hindi with confidence, but also earn school or college language credit through recognized assessment. It is also connect student with their culture and tradition. So there are 4 courses. We are having 4 courses. Now, basic Hindi B1, which includes a complete knowledge of Hindi alphabet, word formation, sentence formation, some basic conversation. And second course is basic Hindi B2, which including some complete Matra course. It is a complete Matra course and basic grammar also including it. And third one is Hindi Intermediate, which include overall preparation with a series of mock tests. We are also providing some special Hindi summer courses for adult and some courses for kids to enhance their secondary language.